All right, you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So go ahead and choose the one you like the most and follow me on there. Today we're going to be playing Truth or Dare. This is going to be the stone for truth and this is going to be the stone for dare. Of course, we have our dice, one with the zodiac signs and then one with the numbers. I'm going to roll the dice, pick a zodiac sign, roll a number, shuffle the cards or the energy of the cards however many times is on the numbered dice, and then we're just going to pick two cards, right? Truth or dare. What are you going to be working on today? Truth or dare? Being honest with yourself, putting in some work on yourself. Being honest with yourself, putting in some work for yourself. So, and that is what we are doing. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Right, so we have Capricorn. All right, Capricorn, and we have 9. All right. All right, Divine, help us to channel a message of inspiration or guidance for Capricorn to face a truth and or a dare. Make sure that this message coming from me is coming from love and pure intentions. Let's just go ahead and get into it. 9 shuffles, let's go. All right, Capricorn, here's your truth. Here's your dare. All right, Capricorn, so your dare card is the Knight of Wands. All right, Capricorn, is it true that your plan is not complete? Is it true that your plan is incomplete and you're unsure of which direction you should take? Is it true that you're looking forward to making new career changes? Is it true, Capricorn, that you're taking plans, skills, and experiences to move yourself to a new level? Is it true that you're being a daring person, Capricorn? Is it true that you have a sense of restlessness or you make premature actions? All right, Capricorn, so that is your truth. You sit with that. You ask yourself those questions and just do what you need to do in order to face your truth. All right, let's move on to your dare. Ooh, Capricorn. We got the Devil card. All right, Capricorn. So with the Devil card, this really has a lot of your energy in there. So for the dare, Capricorn. All right, so Capricorn, I dare you. Let me get that focused. All right, Capricorn, so I dare you to not be so materialistic, to not see the world as only a place of gaining things materially. I dare you to control any desires that you have that seem to outweigh you working on your spirituality. All right, Capricorn, I dare you to stop dabbling in any type of black magic in order to get fortunes, in order to get material items. I dare you to take off your chains that you have that are restricting you from being the best version of yourself. All right, Capricorn, I dare you to face your fears and any negativities that you have about your own interconnectedness to this universe. Capricorn, I dare you to stop starving your creative powers and trust yourself. Capricorn, I dare you to examine your motives carefully without regards to your current situations. Capricorn, I dare you to challenge your addictive behaviors that are holding you back. All right, Capricorn, that is the message that I have for you today. If it resonated with you, go ahead and like this video. Also, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are not missing any of your future messages. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.